What you're about to see is an episode we filmed recently that went horribly, horribly wrong. We spent $35,000 for 30 minutes with this guest, and we have actually never paid to have anyone on the show before, nor have we ever been paid to have someone on the show. However, this was an exception because of how much we both admire this guest. In fact, this person got me into rap when I was 12, and now rap is my favorite music genre. And this was just such an incredible opportunity. We had to spend the money because it's a once in a lifetime.
Yeah, usually our episodes are way longer than this. So what we did for members, we filmed like behind the scenes and some extra content. We decided to include that in here just to get the episode a little longer because of just how little content we had to work with. So with that said, enjoy. So I'm not in the best mood right now.
If every time someone asks you a question, you try to say the right answer, your entire life is a test. So your entire life become this test. I ain't trying to say the right answer. I am just doing what I feel. My mama said trying is failing.
So why is it that people think you're so controversial?
There is no ifs, woulds, coulds, shoulds. It just is, and we just are.
You serious?
Cool.
Dude.
All right, man. Feel free to take a seat there. Do you want a water? We could get you any snacks or anything you need. Do like we do a water, Gavin? Thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah, thank you again for making this happen.
This
go.
is like so surreal. I grew up
It is.
listening to your music, so to have you in the studio is just crazy.
It really is.
No free promo.
That's smart.
Nice.
I feel like we got to do this. All right. By the way, I just want to say that I'm a little nervous going into this, trying to keep it cool. I know Jack is a huge fan as well.
Yeah, I grew up listening to your music, so like this is like you genuinely put me on to rap when I was in like 5th grade. So this is so insane to have you here. So like we really appreciate it.
Autumn is the busiest
And I
time
know,
of year for beavers. It won't be so
I know we
easy
also
to
only have like
protect
30
the
minutes,
pond.
so we're also just gonna get right into it.
The pond gives this beaver
So
we're-
protection from predators.
Ready?
If you wouldn't mind
Now allow it to
muting
forage
that,
far
sorry.
into the forest, carrying
Okay,
many
thanks so much.
Cool.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on the Iced Coffee Hour. Really appreciate it.
By the way, you might want to be a little closer to the mic.
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on the Iced Coffee Hour. Really appreciate it. So why is it that people think you're so controversial?
I'm not.
Well, I'm not saying that you are controversial. I'm just saying that like people kind of think that you are controversial. So like, why is it that you think people think you're controversial?
Where's your bathroom?
Bathroom? Oh yeah, sure. I'll show you. It's just
Yeah.
right over here.
Okay. Gavin, is he okay? Is he with anybody? I thought honestly, I thought he'd be like with like 3 like bodyguards.
Me too. I
something
thought he was
like
going to
that.
come with security. Yeah.
Do you want me to ask the next question?
We at least need to ask like the net worth content.
Okay.
So
I kind of think we should ask again the controversial question, or just skip it because you didn't want to answer it.
all right.
Cool. Yeah. And if there's anything you want us to skip,
Yeah.
or
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind putting that just on the. Thanks. All right. Cool.
thanks, man.
All right.
All right.
We'll skip the
Yeah,
controversial stuff.
so-
That's fine. We don't have to
okay.
talk about it.
Yeah.
Should we just? Okay. So
Okay,
we'll just
so-
get on with the next question. So
So Forbes lists your net worth at $400 million, yet you say it's $2.7 billion. What's the discrepancy?
What's the discrepancy?
Well, the discrepancy would be that you say it's one thing, but Forbes says it's another, and I'm curious who's correct.
Got it. So you would say you're right, and your net worth is actually $2.7 billion, not $400 million, which Forbes claims. We've had a lot of people on the podcast where Google will list their net worth as crazy, crazy things, and it's just not accurate whatsoever. So that would back up what you're saying.
How was it being debanked? Because I saw that they took away your banking privileges from you, and I was curious if they gave you ever a heads up and what that was like, and how you even had money to go and spend after something like that.
Like when you got debanked, did you just try to log into your bank account one day and it just like, and it just like didn't Are you getting a call?
If you need to take that, we could pause. Otherwise, honestly, all we need is like just 15 minutes.
Yeah, if we could just get a couple questions in, that's like all we need. If you want to answer.
Where's your bathroom? I'm gonna go use the bathroom again.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Cool.
I don't know how we're gonna get any answers out of him.
Should we just end it?
No. Why? We paid for 30 minutes, dude. Like we need to actually get some content. I don't know. Maybe we just ask him like what he wants to talk about, and we'll just talk about that.
Sure.
Okay. Dude, this is insane. Yeah.
So I guess our notes really don't matter then.
No, I guess we'll just try to like make conversation. Maybe we just try to be more playful about it.
See the market today?
No, I didn't check it. Is it up or down?
No,
Is it actually?
Yeah, it's up 3%.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I knew I should have put money in.
Kanye left.
He asked to use the bathroom, and I was already suspicious because he seemed so uninterested in the conversation and had asked to use the bathroom like 2 minutes prior. Got up, went over there, and we waited 10, 15 minutes. We finally decided to get up and check, and he was gone.
We looked through the security footage.
As you can see here, flatulence occurred. He proceeds to wash his hands with our bowl of ice, and then he proceeds to just slip through the window.
And then we see him get in this car, and he just speeds off down the driveway. I'm starting to feel like someone's pulling an April Fool's joke on us. So I don't know about you, but...
Nice. Left this.
Oh, what?
Oh, whoa.
Oh, this is the cyber hammer.
Well, at least we got something out of it.
Oh, geez. Well, how about this? If you enjoy this episode, the least you could do is subscribe and hit the like button. That's all we can ask, right?
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to go chase my losses in the casino. Thank you.